everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. I wanted to take a quick minute to thank all my subscribers. Yesterday morning I checked my phone and I saw that I had 1,000 subscribers, and honestly I was freaking out. I was just so excited. I'm so honored and happy to be sharing my recipes, and I'm more honored that you guys are all watching and subscribing to my channel. But enough about me. Today I'm going to be making for you guys carne a la mexicana. And you guys are gonna ask, what is carne a la mexicana? Well, it's steak, potatoes, onion, tomato, and jalapeños. And these all are gonna be cooked together to make a delicious dinner. Okay, you guys ready to cook? So I already have all my ingredients here ready to go. This is steak that I bought at Costco. The name of this steak is called beef loin flap meat steak. So what I did, I cut it very thin, see, thin slices like this. And for the potato, these are 2 small potatoes. The same thing, I went and I chopped them up pretty small. Only half of the onion for this side here. For the tomato, I did 2 small tomatoes, and for the jalapeno peppers, the same thing, kind of like the meat, is sliced them very thin. But one thing, guys, if you guys want it very spicy, go ahead and remove the seeds out of the jalapeno. If you guys don't mind the heat, it's fine, leave them in. Okay, so we are gonna get started. These ingredients, they all have to be cooked separately because you don't want, with the process of the cooking, for them to fall apart. So I start first with my potatoes and my onion. My skillet has been already heating up at medium heat. I'm gonna add just a bit of oil just to cover the bottom of the pan here. I'm gonna put my potatoes and the onion. Mix them in together. And we're gonna wait for these to cook first before we start adding the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so let's check on the potatoes, and they look like they're ready. See, they're golden brown on both sides. And honestly, this is how I check if they're ready. I just take one. They're soft, they're ready. I'm gonna take the potatoes out. I'm gonna put them back in the same container I had them before. And I'm gonna add my meat. The heat seems like it's very high, so I'm gonna bring it down. Okay, we're gonna add the meat. And for my seasoning, I like to use this brand here, the Lawry seasoned salt. We're gonna cook our meat slowly. Okay, so our meat is ready. You come in here closer, you can see how it's nice and brown. Ready to go. I'm gonna add the tomato and the jalapeno. This is gonna be cooking like a quick 3 minutes. You guys want them to get soft. And then afterwards we're gonna add our potato. See how beautiful it is? Nice and green and red. This is one of my favorite meals because I love the color. So our tomatoes are cooked and the jalapenos are all cooked. You can tell because they look soft. See, right there. We're gonna add the potatoes. This is the last part. And I'm gonna cover it up and let it be like that for 5 more minutes, and dinner should be ready. Okay, honey, get closer. I wanna show them what I did. This is a masterpiece. Carne a la mexicana with queso fresco, avocado, flour tortilla, and I'm gonna have this for dinner. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys soon. Provecho.